Managed IT Solutions by Musato Technologies. Ensure seamless operations and peak performance with Musato Technologies Managed IT Solutions. Our comprehensive services are designed to help your business stay ahead in today's fast-paced digital landscape. From proactive maintenance to strategic IT consulting, we've got you covered. Why choose Musato Technologies for Managed IT Solutions? Proactive monitoring, identify and resolve issues before they impact your business. 24/7 support around-the-clock assistance to keep your operations running smoothly. Cost efficiency, optimize your IT budget with our cost-effective solutions. Expert team access to a team of experienced IT professionals. Customized services, tailored IT solutions to meet your specific business needs. Stay ahead with our Managed IT Solutions. Don't let IT challenges hold your business back. Partner with Musato Technologies for reliable and efficient Managed IT Solutions that empower your growth and success. Call to action. Visit our website at www.usatech.co.za or call us at 27614977641 to learn more. Transform your IT infrastructure with Musato Technologies.